sick car, bro. Dude, I can see it. Oh my god. I am in love. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm in love. Car sounds amazing. I don't know if you can hear me over the hog. I got my slave putting in my fuel for me. I love it so much. Jimmy's the man. This is just an amazing piece of work. I'm mad. Fuel. Why are you mad? Because it sounds better than my car. It's gonna be faster than it too. Alright, we're just about home. I'm just gonna record this to give you an idea of what it sounds like in the cab. I guess if any of you sweet, cool Subaru guys want to hood exit your car, if you can hear me. That's just at 2,500 RPMs. So, yeah, pretty loud. Oh, it sounds so good. This is perfect. I'm so in love. Oh my god, this thing's up. It is so loud. What? Jimmy, if you're seeing this right now or hearing this, hey, tell Jimmy to order chicken.
I will. I'll message him tonight.
Look at these things. Oh my gosh.
Dude, it looks better in person.
It does. That's what I told him. I was like, this looks insane. Holy shit. Hello, honey. Huh?
Should I give you a little
No, you shouldn't
bumper
hit it.
tap?
Don't hit it. Puppy? Puppy? I have a surprise for you. I want to see if you notice what those differences
Oh
are.
god. Oh, Pokey.
I'm really scared. I'm really scared. You think she'll notice?
Yes.
You think how long do you think it'll take to notice?
I think it's pretty obvious.
Actually, first, okay. At first glance, do you notice anything?
I'm scared now.
Just look at it.
Oh my god, you did that? Justin?
The dog did. The dog
I'm
said to
gonna
do it.
kill you.
No, but seriously, watch me open this. Look, see? He said it.
Oh my
Look how good it
God.
looks. Honey approved? Please.
It looks like weird
It's
on that
open
part.
approved. Honey, there's gonna be a trim piece on there.
Oh, there's gonna be like a thing around it.
You better turn around. Where
Yeah.
the fuck's he going?
Seriously. It's actually really quiet. Fast and Furious. God, this car is loud. Alright. Yeah, we're already pulled over. Already.
Oh my.
Why?
Dude.
I literally thought we were dead.
I thought you were gonna go to jail.
Yeah, no, me too.
And like I was thinking to myself, okay, my truck's bigger. Obviously, I was in the way, like, when we passed him, so, like, if he radared, it would've gotten me.
Yeah.
But you were flying.
Did you see the flames?
Yeah.
Dude, he liked the flames. That's why he didn't do it.
Shut up.
He was like, hey, man. I didn't get it on recording, but he was like, hey, like, just slow it down at Central Point. He's like, this is cool and all. Slow it down. I was like, all right, dude. I was so scared.
Yeah.
These poor Chick-fil-A workers are just plugging their ears. Drove past them. That cop was super nice. I will say I'm very, very lucky to be still driving the car right now. So now we just gotta go home and tell the boss. See how that goes.